What's up, guys? Today it's time for another Making It But Realistic video. We will be making Joshua Weissman's orange chicken, one of my personal favorites whenever I go to Penn Express. So let's begin. Hey, so I'm here from the future and I finished the project. And you know, this is actually one of the better projects for this series, because this is exactly what I was looking for. This project, while it was delicious and it did taste good and it turned out well, I messed up. I had two big things I messed up. One, I didn't let the sauce thicken enough. So the sauce was very, very runny. It wasn't a true, nice, thick sauce. And the other thing is that I didn't properly bread the chicken. I didn't fully get all that flour soaked with the egg, and so when it was finished, as I was eating, you could kind of taste every once in a while some pockets of uncooked flour in it. And third, as I'll show here, it didn't really, the recipe wasn't quite right. When I went through, and he has the recipe listed underneath, there were some problems with it. The sauce, there was way too much sauce left over. And he put one egg, but it needed 2 eggs, and I doubled it, and so that would have required 4 eggs. I did catch that. I noticed that in reality he put 2 in, when in the recipe said 1. And I'm glad I did this one. I might come back and see if I can make it better. If I can do the breading better, make the sauce better, not make as much sauce. But yeah. Well, on to the rest of the video. Add 1.5 cups of white sugar, 1.5 cups of white vinegar, 2/3 cups soy sauce, and 1/4 cup of water. Zest and squeeze the entire orange. Gotta get that rich orange flavor. Don't forget a splash of Chinkian vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons cornstarch, 2 tablespoons water, and let it thicken up into your sauce. Mince 6 Thai chilies as fine as you can. Dice up your 3 pounds of chicken thighs until it's small, but not too small. Now add 2 tablespoons of crushed garlic and crushed ginger, along with those Thai chilies you just sliced up, to your very thick sauce. For your breading station, in one bowl add 4 eggs, in the other bowl add 2 cups cornstarch, 1 cup flour. To do the breading, you're going to want to first put it in your cornstarch and bread mixture to make sure that every bit of meat is completely covered. Then put it in your egg mixture and make sure it's completely wetted before putting it back into your cornstarch and flour mixture, and make sure to get every single bit of that egg covered in flour. Then place it on your plate, and continue on to the next one. Preheat your vegetable or canola oil to 375 degrees Fahrenheit in preparation for the deep frying of your chicken. Let them cook for about 3 to 5 minutes or until they're a light golden brown. Now that you have your orange chicken deep fried, you're going to want to add it to your sauce that we made before, and make sure that you really get all of those pieces of chicken thoroughly soaked in the delicious sauce. And here is the results of all of our hard work. Our orange chicken. Now it's time to enjoy it. Alright, so here we have it. The orange chicken. Hopefully, this is good. Alright, you want to take a bite first?
Oh, absolutely. And I'm so excited. All I want to say is that these videos have benefited me greatly.
Good to hear, good to hear. Alright, what do you think?
It's good.
I'm excited.
No.
This is like so much more flavorful. So much better than Panda Express. You guys gotta try this. Follow the recipe, and this will turn out delicious. Highly recommend. Oh my gosh, this is really good. You wanna try some?
Sure.
You know, I'll grab a fork. This is really good.
Oh.
Alright, let's do it.
I guess the fact that we're just eating and not talking really describes it. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Good? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright. Well, till the next video.